Today I will be explaining how do you make the joinery area where the two adjacent channel will come and meet. Two adjacent channel will come and join by welding method or by different joining method. So I will be making some rectangular duct in sheet metal. Later on I will explain the circular. I will make circular duct having different passages in different direction. I will try to make things more simple for all of us to design. Let's take an initial point at 0, 0. We start by point and direction. I will give the direction in X. Let's reverse it. Give it the length to be say 450. So this is where how the this is how channel will flow. So let's make a sketch. Section point. So it's 1 point. Make it okay. I'm going to make it symmetry. So if you look into this video, you will understand there are different commands which I have used in CATIA V5, and it will be easy for anyone to understand different commands in CATIA. So I will be covering up different methods and using different CATIA tools. It will be easy for you people to see the whole video. Let's exit sketch. I need to. So the good thing is I would like to do this in. I will be doing this in surface. Let's do it in surfacing, then we can give the thickness. So I like to use different CATIA tools, the different commands given in the CATIA, so that most of the commands can be covered over here. Now we'll make another plane. But now we'll make another line. We'll give it some angle. It's really the supporting plane. This will be the curve around which we'll give the angle that's rotated now. Say for example, let's give it 1.5. Say the adjacent duct is passing at 1.5. Again, we need to make a sketch right here. So what we're going to do, I'll copy it again, paste it again, and let's change the sketch support. Change sketch support. But before that, I need to put a plane right here. So I will make the plane normal to the curve. Take this point. That's it. Now, again, reposition the sketch. We'll change the sketch support and make this plane and give this as the projection point. is the duct will have the same size as the first one. Now we'll sweep it again. Sketch the right curve. Now let's expand it. And use this insert command instead of pressing. We create a boundary over here. So we'll make it 80 to form the intersection where this joint will happen. Again, and again, extrapolate the other one. Create boundary. Let's explore extrapolate this one to this. Make the intersection. Let's keep all the one. We'll keep all the curves. Now we'll make a multi-section for that. Let's blend it. We'll make a create boundary, a create extract. Take this one and going to give support again, create extract, and then give this one. So I would like to say that why I'm doing this method, because I don't want to give this in a curved manner. These two separate sheet metal will come and intersect over here. So there are different methods of doing it, but this is another method I'd like to explain. We'll cover up later the other method again. So again, let's extrapolate this, create the boundary. There it is. Now we'll try to split this one with this surface, this one with this surface. So there it is. We have now the joint. So if you want to change this angle, we can change it. We can change the angle from here, make it 120. See this? Let's make it one part update. You see now If you want to change this length of the channel, straight away go make it 600. Update. You see, this is how this complete joinery will move. We have a common. This is the joining area where the two duct will meet, and we can check in the dimension that thickness of the channel is still the same. And at the joinery, 60 over here, it is 60 over here. So based on that, you can modify the angle, you can move this joinery area, you can move this joinery line, you can move the angle, you can change the angle, you can move this joinery. So this is kind of complete parameter. Apart from that, let's do, so this is for the rectangular channel. Similarly, let's do for circular. So we will use some different commands over here. So first of all, we'll hide this one. Let's hide it, and we'll insert a new geometrical set and call it circular channel. We'll copy paste this sketch again, hide it, the previous one, edit the first one, fit to the screen, and don't need this thing. So or search and make it construction line. Let's make a solid circle. We'll make it 35. This is too small, I guess. Let's make it 40. Then you will give the dimension from the origin so that you can later modify and make it 0. We'll make it 0. Set. So this is just to show you this is how you can do it. Apart from this, let's make a polyline. I don't know whether all of you have known about this command called polyline. So polyline means just the points. Right click here, create point. So we want to create point, or already I think we have points, right? So let's select this point, create point, let it take in 0, 0, fine, create another point, it will take this point, good, again create another point, let's set this as another point. And if you want to give the radius, then give the radius, let's give it 50, because the circular duct can't be having that line contact, it should be in curve. We will put these two channels will be connected here by an L-shaped connector. That is why we are giving the fillet. Let's change it to 8, and let's hide the previous lines. We don't need it. So one of the method is either you can run it the same way I did in the rectangle, the profile and the guide curve in the preview. This is one of the way of doing it. Another method is another method I will show you. Let's hide this. Like I said before, if you go and see the complete video, you will be able to understand all the commands in CATIA So again, if you go to sweep, this the third circle here, we go to center and radius. We don't need to give this, select this profile, we'll just select the center curve and change and give the radius, whatever radius you need. Say we need 25. See, this is another method of doing it. So polyline just needs the point to make, from the points it makes the solid line. This is another method we can do. Now we'll do another one. Let's hide it again. Let's make on the polyline, let's make one more point. We'll make a point over in Z over here. So let's move it in Z by 200 and see where it goes. So this is going to be 3. Let's make it. So now this is another line over here. We'll fill it to this. Again, let's give a radius of 18. And preview. Okay. Now we can update it again. And see, so different methods are there. If you want to add some more line in different direction, you just need to give the coordinate points and the line will keep on building. Let's again change and add one more point. Let's give the coordinates. It has taken, let's keep it here, and from here it needs to go in X. Say for example, we'll move it in X and Y, right? $200. See, it is going this way. And let's make Z as red. This will give another line in this direction. Again, we have to add the radius in 80. Now we can go to the sweep, edit it. Okay. So this is how you can make lines. This is by another method of giving the profile and the threshold. This is another method. Now let's make it solid. I just want to keep things in this body and not in the like all body, so that I can delete it later. So let's go to this part modeling, and from here we can get the thickness, whatever you need. Say for example, let's keep it reverse direction, 1 mm. 1 mm thickness, you can give 1. Let's make it wide surface. Let's find the points and the lines. Let's give it some color. Now let's make this duct as, give some thickness to this duct another inside of the body. So body, some thickness. I'll give this and give it to this got united here because we have put the same thickness in the same body. So let's insert another body and move it over here. It's a jointed line, and we'll give these two another color. I like this one. The same way, if you want to give a different angle in this rectangular channel, this is the same method. You can do it. Let's hide this one, the circular one. So this is something so actually this was a question. This is one of the doubt of one of my friend has this doubt, and I just wanted to do it. I think this will help every one of you who are watching this video. As I said, if you see the whole video from start to the last, you will get to know a lot of commands in the CATIA tools which are used in design. Thank you.